Let's fill out the Delaware ATV bill of sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the ATV and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the ATV, the make and model and the year. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the ATV. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties. And it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're selling or buying an ATV in Delaware, here's what you need to know to get the paperwork right. First, the seller will need to provide a Delaware driver's license or other accepted proof of residency. And when it comes to signatures, all owners of the vehicle must sign. So if there's more than one name on that title, everyone needs to sign off. Now, here's something that might surprise you. Delaware titles do not require a notary, so you can skip that step entirely. For the actual transfer, you'll be working with the Assignment of Certificate of Title section, which is found on the back of the title itself. The seller also completes the odometer section right there on the back of the title, so make sure that gets filled in accurately. All buyers must sign the application as well, so everyone on the buying side needs to be involved in that process. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.